Hello everyone, welcome today. It's today again a hot, sweaty day. In this edition with extra Sudokus. In today's newspaper on Friday, August the 7th, 2020, we have here 6 Sudokus. A 1-star Sudokus, 2-star Sudokus, 3-star Sudokus, 4-star Sudokus, and a binary and a tectonic one. So total of 6 extra Sudokus. It's no weather for making or solving Sudokus, but it needs to be done. And before I start, the first one will be number 1302, and I always count the printed numbers so you can see the difficulty level. We have here 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 2 is 7, plus 4 is 11, plus 2 is 13, plus 3 is equal to 16, plus 6 is 22, 23, plus 4 is 27. 27 printed numbers, digits in this Sudoku. So let's get started. Alright, let me see which number I can use. We have here 3 missing numbers in this big square. One missing number is a 4. We see here a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Then the 2 other missing numbers are the 3 and the 5. We see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers 1 and not 1, we have the 2 and the 6. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then, how about the number 6 in this big square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6. No 6 in these 2 boxes. There 6. No 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. 1 in this column. 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 1 should be here. Then 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 4 and 7, we see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then, how about the number 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. No. Yeah. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here already a 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then 7. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 and 5. All right. Let me think. How about hmm 3. Yes, in this row, the third row, we have here 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. So the 3 could be here or could be there. We see here over there 3, no 3 there. The 3 should be there. Then one of the missing number here in the third row is also a 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here we have also a 5, so no 5 in that box. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We have a 2 here, so in this big square, no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. The 4 and the 7 are missing in this row. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. Then let me see 2 numbers left in this second column for the numbers 5 and the 7. 5 and the 7. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. Then how about no. 1, 7 and 2. Yes, the 2. In this column, 3 missing numbers. The 1, the 2, and the 7. 1, 2, 7. I see here the 1 in this big square and a 2 in this row. So no 1 and 2 in this box. That means 1 digit left should be the 7. Here goes the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 1 goes there. That means 1's in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 5, 3, 2. Alright. 2 numbers left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 9. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair, 6 and a 9. So we have a 6 in this row, a 6 in the second row, in one of these 2 boxes. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. The same with the 9. 9 in this row, 9 in one of those two boxes. In the second row, so in the first row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 4 and 8. We see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then, how about these two numbers in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8? We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 4 goes there. Then, how about yes, in this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. We see here already a 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then 3, then how about okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this row. 7 should be here. How about the 8? 8 here, and the 9. 9 could be here. So we have this 9 and the 7. 9 and the 8, 9 and the 8, 9 and the... No. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 2, no. 8, 2. Ooh. Yeah. And a 5. Yes, I need a 5. 5, 3, and a 2. 5, 3, and a 2. Where's the missing link? The needle. Yeah, we have a pair. I think the pair. Yeah. In this big square, we have here 3 numbers. 2. Yeah, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6. The 3 and the 6 cannot be in these two boxes. The 3 and the 6 cannot be in this box. So the 3 and the 6 goes in these 3 boxes. We have here the 3 and the 6. So no 3 and the 6 in that box. So the 3 and the 6 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. Let me mark them for you so you can easy follow. So what are the other 4 numbers? The 1, the 9, 1, 9, the 4, no, the 2. The 2 we have here at 2, so no 2 in these two boxes. So the 2 should be here or there. We see here also a 2, so no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. Now we have 3 missing numbers, the 1, the 9, and the 8. 198, 198, 1. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. Here also 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. The 9 and the 8 are left now. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be a 6. This should be the 9. Now we have a 6 here, so no 6 here. The 3 goes here and the 6 goes there. These two numbers are left in this column. For the 9 and the 5, we have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 5 goes there. One number left in this column. For the number 8, 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 and 3, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. One number left in this row. For the number 3, 2 numbers left in this big square. For the number 7 and 3, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 7 goes there. And now, let me see. These two numbers in the middle, a row. For the numbers 8 and 2, we have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 2 and 5, now we have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers 1 and 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. For the numbers 7 and 9, we have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 9 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. All right, great Sudoku. Look, the sweat. Oh, I'm sweating. It's hot here in this room. Yeah, thank you for watching. If you like this Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with another Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku. So see you later, and bye-bye for now.